Groundforce have been supporting the construction industry in the UK and Europe for over 30 years, with an enviable portfolio of products and services designed to meet the challenges and stringent safety requirements of construction sites today. Groundforce's sister company Piletec offer contractors the latest technology in pile breaking and vibrating hammers for all piling installation and removal applications. Our most recent innovation is the Piletec Pre-Augering system. Pre-driven piles, by far the safest and fastest way to install sheet and frame solutions, and when they go in like this, it is simply not a problem. But when we encounter tougher ground conditions, it becomes a whole new ballgame. We may not be able to reach the required toe-in depth, sheets go offline, and expensive damage to piles and hammer are inevitable. We have to resort to far more expensive and potentially hazardous alternatives. A much larger, free-suspended vibratory hammer can be used, but this requires the use of an expensive crane and piling trestles to ensure alignment as well as highly skilled personnel. Hydraulic impact hammers also need a crane and create noise problems in today's sensitive environment. The dreaded air hammer is usually the one we turn to, but with noise levels way above acceptable limits and exhaust gases throwing out harmful emissions, these are rapidly becoming an unacceptable alternative. Piletec now offer pre-augering as a safer, quicker and far less expensive solution to the problem. Piletec service engineers deliver and fit the auger in exactly the same way as the excavator-mounted vibrator, which makes changeover from one to the other a seamless operation. The auger drills through the stiff soils and breaks up the ground, effectively turning cohesive into non-cohesive conditions. The auger is then wound out of the ground, leaving the soil in place and providing a much safer working environment than exposed slit trenches or high-level piling trestles. It then simply moves on down the proposed sheet pile line. With the ground now in a non-cohesive state, the excavator-mounted vibrator can be used to install the sheet piles with ease, and without the need for noisy, dirty and expensive high-risk alternatives. Piletec, always striving for safer, cleaner, easier solutions.